Find or read reviews that people are talking about Segway Navimow X430, robot lawnmower wire-free. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. Most advanced all-wheel drive. This robot lawnmower features an ORV-tuned dual suspension system that powers through uneven terrain, climbs extreme 84%, 40 degrees, slopes, and crosses obstacles up to 2.8 inch with confidence, ensuring stable and reliable performance on complex lawns. Turf-safe zero-turn steering. Unlike conventional systems, this lawnmower robot uses zero-turn AWD with eccentric front wheel steering and smart traction control to prevent turf scuffing or tearing, delivering smooth zero-turn maneuvering without damaging grass. Ultra-efficient MowMentum cutting. Powered by dual 180-watt motors. This high-performance robot mower features dual cutting discs with 12 blades, a 17-inch cutting width, and adaptive blade control to handle tall, dense grass efficiently, while edge sense reduces trimming margins to under 2 inch. Hands-free setup and intelligent control. One-tap auto mapping enables fast, wire-free setup with no antenna required. Edit maps with GeoSketch, track via GPS, and receive geofence or lift alerts, while voice control via Alexa or Google Home makes this one of the most intelligent robotic lawn mowers available. Elite positioning and obstacle avoidance. EFLS Tri-Frequency Network RTK combined with 360 degrees vision and VIO ensures centimeter-level accuracy even under trees or along fences. AI-powered vision fence identifies over 200 obstacle types, keeping the robot lawnmower operating safely and precisely. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.